Hello everyone, welcome to the first episode of One Step Adventure. आज का पहला एपिसोड मोस्ट प्लेसेस टू सेलिब्रेट दशहरा इन इंडिया, यानी हमारे इंडिया में सबसे ज़्यादा लोकप्रिय दशहरा सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए। वैसे तो दशहरा इंडिया के हर एक कोने में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है, पर इंडिया के कुछ ऐसे हिस्से हैं जहां इसे बड़े पैमाने में सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Kolkata Durga Puja is a yearly Hindu celebration beginning in the Indian subcontinent, which pays homage to the Hindu goddess Durga. It is especially well known and generally celebrated in the Indian states of West Bengal, Assam, Orissa, Tripura, and the nation of Bangladesh. Goddess Durga rose up out of the energy of the kings and gods as an power and the perfect female force to devour evil presence Mahishasura, who was honored to not be crushed by any man or god. It is celebrated for 10 days beginning from the 6th day until the 9th day. The pandals with fabulous symbols of goddess Durga are open for guests. The perfectly illuminated pandals each underline a subject, be it the legend of goddess Durga or sense from Hindu epic writing. These days, some pandals are themed on social reasons to spread mindfulness. Keeping in mind the risk of COVID-19 during Durga Puja celebration is said to be low key in Kolkata. Durga Puja committees have decided favor. The fundamental features of the festivity of 9 evenings in the society move of Gujarat called Garba. Every day, the party starts with the performance of Aarti. The whole territory of Ahmedabad gets involved with the idea of commanding the Navaratri celebration. Individual plays of the Garba society move around the sculpture of goddess Shakti. Garba is carried out till late night. Delhi Ramlila is one of the most anticipated events of the year. The specially engaging Ramlila commanded yearly upon the arrival of Dussehra marked the victory of Lord Rama over the evil spirit ruler Ravan. The day when the life-size models of Ravan, Meghnad and Kumbhakarna are burned. Various individual plans their outing to the cities during the time, particularly to observe the functions, draws in the concentrations of the media. Ramlila festival in own Delhi have consistently been delayed effort, yet this year owing to the pandemic, no festival will happen because of COVID-19. The celebration is seen on the 10th day in the Hindu scheduled month of Ashwin. The Mysore tradition celebrates the warrior and the state fighting for the god during the festival, worshipping and displaying the state sword, weapons, elephant, horses, along with the Hindu Devi goddess in the various. The main attraction of the 10-day Mysore Dussehra celebrates in the Mysore Palace, which is lit every day with almost 1 lakh lights. Banaras Ramlila. The 200-year-old Ramlila became under the support of the royal house of the Banaras. Organized on a grand scale, around 10,000 individuals participate in the festival. The participation normally occurs more than 10 days. However, in Ramnagar, it extends on over a month. Bastar Dussehra is the special quality of Chhattisgarh celebrated by the individual of the states with sufficient. Bastar Dussehra is the unique culture trait of the Chhattisgarh, celebrated by the neighborhood individual of the states. Special ceremonies of this over the 500-year-old celebration. Batukamma is a floral festival celebrated in Telangana and few places of Andhra Pradesh. It is praised according to Satvahan calendar. It is a rightful bloom, static arranged with the different unique seasonal flowers, most of them with the medical values, with 7 layers in the shape of the temple Gopuram. On 5th days, the ladies will clean their workil, dairy animal, compost blended in the water, spread in the yard as a grounded base. Kota celebration is a number of festivals, but festivals during bears a particular. The entire territory boosts attractive during this celebration. Dussehra is a very one of the kind, and of 75 feet tall. The Ravan, Kumbhakarna and Meghnad are burnt on the Dussehra day to symbolize the victory of God over evil. And these models are loaded up with crackers. A small kid dressed up as a Lord Ram is made to shoot a bolt of fire at Ravan, and the huge figure is burned. Alongside script project, many cultural programs have also become the part of this event. More than 1 lakh individuals from Kota and close by towns arrives at Dussehra